The environment in Wonder Studio, which is our Montessori-based studio, is very much based on independent learning and structure within a ton of freedom, but it's still structured. They're building relationships. They're learning how to work together as well as working on their own. They're building relationships with their guides. It's a very peaceful, loving environment. They're feeling safe and confident in that. The reason that is so important within MSGA building that foundation is because they're going to use that for the next 12 years. They're going to learn how to do projects on their own. They're going to learn how to do projects with their friends, to innovate, to think outside of the box, think creatively, and use their curiosity that they were born with. And we're able to foster that in our youngest grades with our 4 and 5-year-olds. Independence is huge because it gives us confidence. It allows us to think more broadly in fostering that and building that in young children. Many of our children come to us already pretty independent. They're strong-willed, they're strong thinkers, they're curious, and to really hone that in within them is going to give them a great deal of confidence. It opens the world to them. So they are thinking, I'm in charge of my learning. I can learn about dinosaurs one day, I can learn about spaceships the next day, and all of a sudden we have a really great story about dinosaurs and spaceships. So it's giving them creativity, it's giving them license, and it's giving them the confidence to do it on their own, which helps them be better collaborators as well. Our community is beautiful because even within each grade, there's such strong friendships, there's such strong admiration, but you get these older kids who come in and might do a special project with my grade, and my kids just fall in love with them. And our older kids learn to be compassionate and empathetic and helpful, and our younger kids learn how to communicate, in a very special way. So it helps foster and extend that loving, safe environment. So we're learning from each other, we're learning from older children as well as guides. So we're just kind of up here, the guides are just up here guiding, while so many times our students themselves are teaching other students, and it's just really beautiful how much they end up loving each other, and even in aftercare choosing to play with each other. They're not forced to do anything. It's all in choice, and it's all comes very organically to them. The guide's role is really to build relationships and to build that trust and to make it possible for them to find their niche, to find what they're really passionate about, and help lead them to that. Again, that independence, but we're helping them realize that they have it within themselves to decide what they want to do. So our guides build a loving environment, a safe environment, how to be empathetic to others so that they can help others within their community. We're doing so many personalized learning activities that it's really assessing them within their own bubble, I guess.